Prepare to be intrigued because we've stumbled upon a marketing strategy that's not just crazy but brilliantly effective. Meet https://www.czuckerberg.com/ a website that lulls you to sleep by playing the terms and conditions of Instagram. Outrageously unique, right? But here's the twist. They're not in the business of putting people to sleep. It's a clever way to draw attention to their actual venture. https://TLDR.Legal. This platform connects students with graphic design opportunities in the legal field. A gallery turned business. TLDR. Legal's backstory. TLDR. Legal is more of a gallery than a conventional business. It facilitates graphic design collaborations between students and lawyers, a concept that's inspiring but not particularly automated or scalable. So, what's the game changer here? Their marketing tactics. Thinking outside the marketing box. The TLDR.Legal approach. TLDR.Legal doesn't adhere to the norms of traditional marketing. Instead, they lead by example, demonstrating their prowess through innovative projects like the Instagram sleeping terms and condition website. Why this marketing approach works. 1. Differentiation. TLDR.Legal stands out because they're not just talking about their services. They're showing what they can do in a creative and unexpected way. 2. Engagement. Consider this scenario. Two individuals pitching a new website to a dentist. Person A takes the conventional route, while Person B presents a pre-designed website for the dentist to explore. Who's more likely to land the gig? Person B, undoubtedly. 3. Personalized touch. Going a step further, imagine Person B modifying their pitch, showcasing specific improvements made based on the dentist's needs. It's personal, it's focused, and it invites feedback. Applying the lesson to your marketing strategy. The lesson here is to break free from the monotony of typical marketing. Instead of droning on about your products and services, adopt a more unique approach. Consider creating something tangible, a prototype, a concept, or even a quirky project related to your business. Example pitch. Hi X. I've crafted a unique concept for you. Check it out. Link. I've focused on A, B and C, areas we didn't explore before on your existing website. It's a fun side project, so feel free to skip it if it doesn't resonate. I'd love your quick feedback. This approach not only showcases your capabilities but also invites collaboration and feedback. Rethink your marketing game. TLDR.Legal's story challenges the conventional wisdom of marketing. It urges us to break free from the shackles of mundane promotion and think outside the box. In a world saturated with noise, being different isn't just refreshing, it's a marketing strategy that resonates. So, let's ditch the boring marketing playbook and embark on a journey of creativity and uniqueness. Who knows, your next crazy idea might just be the game changer your business needs.